Welcome to English listening practice lesson. Today we will practice English together about topic Alex African adventure at a slow speed to improve your listening and speaking skills. Pay attention and listen carefully. Alex was a rich kid. He lived in a big house with a swimming pool and a tennis court. His parents gave him everything he wanted. He had the latest gadgets, the coolest clothes, and the best toys. Alex was always bored. He had done everything there was to do in his town. He had been to all the best restaurants, seen all the movies, and visited all the amusement parks. One day, Alex's parents decided to take him on a trip to Africa. Alex was excited. He had never been to Africa before. He had seen pictures of lions and elephants and giraffes, and he wanted to see them for real. When they arrived in Africa, Alex was amazed by the beauty of the country. The animals were even more amazing than he had imagined. He saw lions hunting, elephants playing, and giraffes eating leaves from tall trees. Alex also met some of the local people. They were very friendly and welcoming. They taught Alex how to speak their language and how to dance their dances. Alex had a wonderful time in Africa. He learned a lot about the country and its people. He also made some new friends. One day, Alex was walking through the jungle with his guide when they heard a noise. They followed the noise and found a baby elephant that was stuck in a mud pit. Alex and his guide walked together to help the baby elephant. They pulled and pushed and finally managed to free it. The baby elephant was very happy and grateful. Alex and his guide brought the baby elephant back to its mother. The mother elephant was very happy to see her baby. She trumpeted loudly and hugged the baby elephant with her trunk. Alex was so happy to have helped the baby elephant. He knew that he had done something good. Alex's trip to Africa was a life-changing experience. He learned a lot about the world and himself. He also made some lifelong friends. When Alex got back home, he was no longer bored. He had a new appreciation for life. He was grateful for everything he had.